today we'll see how to make the YouTube thumbnail. So first you'll have to go to the Google browser and type for canva.com. So once the canva.com is open, so you'll have to click on the design, and there you can see the option for YouTube thumbnail. So once the YouTube thumbnail option is seen, you have to just select that option, and in the left hand side you will be able to see the templates, and you can search for the templates based on your thumbnail. Search for computers or anything based on your requirement. You can select your thumbnail. You have so many options related to vlogs. You can select the thumbnails related to the kitchen gadgets. So there are so many thumbnails provided by the Canva by default. So you can select any one of them. So I'm selecting the one which is by default it is provided by the Canva. So I'm just giving my channel name there, and you can even change the font color, and you can even animate the thumbnail, and you can even set the timer as well. So you can find the animation option at the top, and if you want to animate it, you can select any of the options based on your requirement, and also you have a timer options there at the top right. So you can select the timer. It's 5 seconds or 10 seconds, 20 seconds. You can select based on your requirement. And finally, you can just click on share and just download the video. So once it is downloaded, it will be saved in your system. And if you want to add that thumbnail to your YouTube channel, so you have to just go to your YouTube studio where you upload your videos and just edit that video. Then you have to just scroll down and you will find the thumbnail option there. So you just have to change the thumbnail. You have to just select change option there, or if you are uploading it for the first time, then you have an upload option there, so you can upload